My name is Jessica. I am 25 years old. I work in a big office in the city. Every night, I sleep in the same house as my manager. This is my secret. At work, nobody knows my real life. They see me as a normal office girl. They think I go home alone every night. They think I eat dinner, watch TV, and sleep in a small bed. But that is not true. My manager's name is Mr. Wilson. He is the owner of the company. Everyone is afraid of him. He wears expensive suits. He walks fast. He speaks in a strong voice. When he enters the office, people stop talking. They sit straight. They stare at their screens. They work very hard. Mr. Wilson never smiles at work. He never jokes. He looks cold and serious. But I know a different man. Every day at 5 o'clock, work ends. My coworkers pack their bags. I'm going to the cinema, one says. I'm meeting my boyfriend, another says. Then they look at me. Jessica, where are you going? I smile. I'm just going home, I say. I'm tired. They believe me. They never ask more. I wait until everyone leaves. I stand alone in the lobby and look at my phone. Then a black car stops outside. Mr. Wilson is inside. I open the door and sit quietly. Hello, Jessica, he says gently. Did you have a good day? Yes, Mr. Wilson, I reply. In that moment, he is not scary. He is calm. He is kind. We drive away from the city to a quiet place with trees and large houses. Mr. Wilson's house is very big. Inside it is warm and clean. We cook dinner together. We eat at the same table. Then I go to my room. I sleep in his house. But no, I am not his girlfriend. He is 55 years old. He is like a father to me. So why do I live there? To understand that, you must know my past. I come from a small village. My father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. We were happy, but we were very poor. I wanted to help my family. I will go to the city, I told my parents. I will work and send money home. My mother cried. The city is hard, she said. But I was strong. I came to the city with one bag and little money. I found a job at Mr. Wilson's company. I was an assistant. The salary was low. Still, I was happy. I rented a small apartment. It was dark. The walls were thin, but it was mine. Every month I sent money home. I told my parents, I'm fine. My job is good. That was a lie. The city was lonely. One day my phone rang. It was my sister. Jessica, she cried. Dad is very sick. My heart stopped. He needed an operation. It was very expensive. I had no savings. But I loved my father. I sent all my money, every dollar. My father survived, but I lost everything. The landlord came. Where is the rent? He asked. I had nothing. I packed my bag and left. I told no one. I was ashamed. I slept in my car. It was cold. It was painful. Every morning, I washed my face at a gas station. Then I went to work like nothing was wrong. I was hungry. For lunch, I drank water. For 2 months, this was my life. One day, I was very weak. Mr. Bott Wilson asked for a file. I stood up. The room started spinning. I fell. When I opened my eyes, I was on a sofa. Mr. Wilson was there. Jessica, he said softly, are you okay? I started crying. I told him everything. Where do you live? He asked. In my car, I whispered. He was shocked. You can't live like this, he said. That night, he took me to his house. You will stay here, he said, until you are strong again. I slept in a real bed. For the first time in months, I felt safe. Since that day, my life changed. At work, we were professional. At home, we were family. We cooked, we talked, we laughed. He taught me about business. He believed in me. But people started talking. She's close to the boss, they whispered. It hurt, but I stayed strong. One day, in a big meeting, Mr. Wilson spoke. Jessica is our new project manager. Someone stood up. She lives with you. The room went silent. Mr. Wilson told the truth. Everything. People understood. They clapped. I cried. Today, I still live in his house. I am saving money. Soon I will move out. But I will never forget this time. My name is Jessica. I slept in the same house as my manager. Not because of love, but because of kindness. That kindness changed my life. If you are struggling, do not give up. Help can come from unexpected places, and you are stronger than you think. Subscribe for more easy English stories. Comment below. What did this story teach you?